Hello, everybody. If you're using Midjourney, or if you are not, but if you are using Midjourney a lot, I have something really special for you in this video. And well, you need to know that. First of all, you can see things that I made yesterday, focusing again on the Kawaii thing. But again, I'm trying many different things. So again, we share with you some important information that if you're using Midjourney, it allows you to more fine tune the results you want to get. So let's just jump into it. And I just found out a few more information. This is very important information for those of you who are creating a lot in Midjourney text to image AI Discord bot. So that's what I do a lot right now. So I was really interested to learn more about it. So there are a few resources. The first one is on the GitHub. I'm going to link to it in the description of this video so you can check it out. And basically, as you can see, Midjourney styles in keywords reference, and many people are already using it. I didn't even know why, and now I know because they get information from here. You can see the different APIs format. You can learn more about it. For example, you can see the styles. These are probably the most important things. Themes and design style, artist, drone art mediums, lighting, material properties, materials, colors, lots of stuff. So let's go, for example, to themes and design styles. Right, we can go to themes, for example, realism, abstraction, and you can see results. Right, it's demonstrated on a spherical thing, so you can see the difference. It's amazing. So if you're using, for example, I'm using a lot of hyper realistic, but also mix it with photorealistic. Didn't know even the the difference. I'm just using both, but as you can see, this is photorealistic, this is hyper-realistic, fantastic realism. Again, all these new keywords I'm actually learning right now, and I can use it in my art, in my AI art. Oh, maybe I should listen my, but in some ways it is. Realism, new realism, contemporary realism, classical realism, surreal. Sometimes I mix all of them. So you can mix all of that. But actually, the fun thing is try to mix many things together and see what you get. Science fiction. All right, so those things are actually, based on what I've read, are trained by the algorithm, deep learning algorithm. Right, we're going to see a bit more options in a moment. Eternal fantasy. Look how beautiful it is. Wow. Dark fantasy. Wow. Definitely. I already making, by the way, a list with many keywords. So now I have so much more. And of course, I'm going to focus on the ones that I want to use, but I'll try to mix and match and do other crazy stuff. All right, let's go to more. All right, sorry. Let's go to reference. Let's go to lighting. Oh, drawing art. This is actually, of course, you can try it yourself and check it out. Illustration, drawing types, sketch, drawing, doodle, masterpiece, children drawing, and drawn. Wow. It's crazy. It's crazy. I won't get overwhelmed with you. You can actually just go and try it yourself, but there are all different examples that you can see, which you can apply in your artificial intelligence art, text to image using Midjourney. Right? So again, plenty of information, and of course some reference information about the different so quality comparison, style comparison. For example, if you go to quality comparison, keep in mind it takes much more time. Oh, I didn't know you can actually do. All right, good. Quality 5, for example, you can see the default one is quality 1. You can even reduce the quality. Right? This is the default. You can make it higher, but it takes much more time. Even quality 2, it takes a long time and costs more. Chaos comparison. First time I didn't even know there's a parameter for chaos. This is crazy. Wow. Anyway, this is one thing. All right, I'm going to link to it, and I'm going to show you now another thing. All right, the next one is actually a spreadsheet that this is incredible. You need to see. It has a list of many artists with thumbnails, which you can actually see the type of artistic look, and you can see the if it's trained by Midjourney. And basically, what you can do is just choose the one that you feel like, this is the type of artistic direction that you want to use, and use it using prompt. You can write artwork by and the artistic full name, and the algorithm will create something with this type of art style. All right. The list is super, super long. There are tons of things here. So again, the idea is getting inspired, try to imagine things, but even then, it's all I need to get inspired, because there's some things you just don't know. Same goes with the keywords and specific art related keywords in certain words in English that you might even not even know. Even if you are, it's your English is your native language, there's so many things because it's related to certain things related to art, graphic design, illustration, everything that you just don't know. And I'm learning so much keywords. I'm just listing them in a notepad, the one that I really like, and I think they are good for the specific topics of what I want to create. Although sometimes it just get crazy. And so just go through it from the previous one that I showed you for this one. And well, get inspired, use it in your AI art and see what you get. All right. So those two resources are absolutely amazing, especially if you're heavy on Midjourney. You really like it, you are very addicted to it, and you want more to kind of, just get results that you are satisfied with, and they are really cool and something that you really like. So enjoy this one. Again, both links in the description of this video. Hope you find this one useful. If you do use Midjourney, let me know, or using another one. There are, of course, other type of competitive deep learning services that generate art from text. But for right now, based on my experience, Midjourney is, I just can't leave it. It's just perfect for me. So tell me again if you use it and what you think about these resources. If you know other good resources, share it in the comment section below. I see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, everybody. Cheers.